Now, so far there's been a distinct lack of rain, but also a lack of warmth. Well, we're addressing the warmth bit. It's the rain that's going to be lacking, I'm afraid. Today there'll be bright spells. I can't see overwhelming sunshine, and it'll be warmer still, a trend which will probably continue. Whilst pressure builds, we're also, if you follow the isobars back, drawing our air up from warmer climes. We are close enough to the fronts to have a lot of cloud over us, and the fronts themselves, though weak, could produce rain in Northern Ireland and Western Scotland. Mostly it's going to be light and drizzly, and most evident, I think, in the morning. The wind isn't strong, but you'll notice the direction is southwesterly, so if you face that way and you're on a cliff or a hill, you will notice a lot of mist, murk, cloud, and maybe some drizzle. Eastern side of England in particular, and in the shelter of the Pennines, far more likely to be dry and possibly even sunny. But whilst we travel around the coast, you might pick up whiffs of waspish cloud, or waspy cloud I should say, really. It's mist, low cloud over the seas, over the coasts and the cliffs, and it's not going anywhere, I'm afraid. It'll be drifting inland all day. Disappointing, I know. The morning, 8 o'clock in the morning, in Northern Ireland is a relatively mild one. You could even say warm at 15 degrees, but how much more is there to go given there's a lack of sunshine? That is the overwhelming problem. There'll be a creeping rise in temperature, but without the sunshine it will be only a creeping one. Afternoon showers will probably build in the Irish Republic, maybe in Northern Ireland, one or two in Scotland as well, possibly big ones, but they're going to be rare events. 21 to 24 the range of temperature, except around the coast at 18 or 19. And all the time we've got this big driving low out here. We will keep bringing up milder and milder air. It's still full of moisture, admittedly, but the temperature will inevitably rise from our current average of 17 to well above average into the maybe mid, even high 20s. That's pushing it, but it's a possibility, I think, after the weekend. But the trend is set and probably won't be interrupted. Note though, all around the edges, because the water's still cold, you will get sea fog, and that will creep around the coast. Beach weather may not be at its absolute best though. It's hard to argue with it, really. So Friday morning starts pretty murky too, but where that clears away from the edges, the sunshine will try and shine through, and again won't entirely succeed, but temperatures are up another degree for the most part. Again, coastal cloud and sea breezes keep things cooler. And the trend remains the same. 25 or more in London, 23 in Cardiff, Belfast, low 20s, Edinburgh representing most of Scotland, again the low 20s. It's warming up, and the sun will follow.